Welcome to the Rolliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change chat theme on WhatsApp in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp. Now after open the WhatsApp, just tap on three dots, then go to settings option. From here scroll down a bit and open up chats option. Here at the top you can find theme option. Now from here at the top under the theme option you can find default chat theme, then just tap here and that's it. Now here you can find so many chat theme and you can set any chat theme as you like. Here you can also find two categories, color and design. At first if I select any color from here, and from here you can also turn on dark mode, just tap here. You can see dark mode is turned on. If you want to disable it, just tap here. Now if you swipe left or right, then you can find so many color or design. And after select any design or color, just tap on this done icon. Then tap on set theme and the theme has been changed successfully. You can also choose any design from here. Just select any design. Then you have to just tap on the same icon. Now if I go back and open up any chat, and you can see chat theme has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change chat theme on WhatsApp in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.